Alright guys, easy like Sunday morning. Alright, on this Sunday we are make some steamed fish and crackers. So basically I have some mixed vegetable, carrot, bell peppers, onions, scallion, garlic. Focus. There you go. Alright, I may put a little bit of curry in it this time, okay? Ooh, mama mia, these are butterfish guys. Boy. Gonna set them down in there. Whoa. Let's put one up, one down. Alright. So we set the rest of sauce in there, guys. Alright, get yourself a spoon and kind of, put everything over like that. Oh boy. This me feel for a nice Sunday, guys. My husband brought some butterfish. Alright, we're gonna let this simmer down for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and we're gonna put the crackers. Fish easily cooks, so don't make them mash out, okay? So about 10 minutes, we come back, put the crackers on top and make it simmer down for another 5 minutes. Voila. Guys, I did put some scotch bonnet pepper in there, alright? So we're gonna cover it up. Let it simmer a little bit. Oh, and I also put some cock soup, alright? Alright guys, I'm gonna put one Maggi cube and then like a minute or so I'm gonna add the crackers. Alright guys, when everything bubble and settle, see the water crackers on here? Good old Jamaican Excelsior water crackers. These are the strong back, guys. Yes, the fish. Mud slide. Gumption. So put any amount you want. And just cover it up. And the thing ready. You know. You can even put some okra in this, guys. Sometimes I will use the bammies, but I want some crackers today. Alright, that I go do it. You can just spin them over and then that's it. Alright guys, and this is the final result. My Jamaican style steamed fish. Yeah, and I put a little bit of curry powder in there. Give it this yellow color. And a little tips of coconut milk. It's optional. Alright guys, I'm gonna dive down in it now. Whoa, my belly. Alright guys, have a good day. And this is it.